In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Yahoo email password. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can regain access to your account quickly and smoothly. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, navigate to the Yahoo sign-in page. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Forgot Password. This is the critical link that will start the password recovery process for you. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Yahoo email address. It's important that you double check the spelling of your email address here to avoid any errors. Once you've entered it correctly, click Continue to move forward. Now, Yahoo will ask you to choose a recovery method. You could select either your recovery phone number or an alternate backup email. This step is essential as it ensures that you are the rightful owner of the account. Select the recovery method that's most convenient for you and make sure you have access to it, as you will need to retrieve a verification code from there. After you select your preferred recovery method, keep an eye on your phone or email account. You should receive a message with a verification code shortly. This code is your key to unlocking the next phase of the process, so ensure you have access to it. Once you have the verification code in hand, return to the Yahoo page and enter this code into the designated field. Make sure to input it exactly as it appears to avoid any hiccups. With the verification code successfully entered, you're almost at the finish line. Now, you'll be prompted to create a new password. A couple of tips here. Choose a password that is strong yet memorable. Try combining letters, numbers, and symbols to increase security. After you enter your new password, you will need to confirm it by typing it again. This is a crucial step to prevent typos and ensure your account remains secure. Once you've confirmed your new password, you can now proceed to log into your Yahoo account using these new credentials. Take a moment to see if everything works as expected. If everything goes smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully reset your Yahoo email password. As a recommendation, consider storing your passwords in a secure password manager to keep track of them easily. This can help you avoid similar issues in the future. And that's it! You've now learned how to reset your Yahoo email password. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below if you need further assistance, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.